everyone, I'm Karen, and if you know me, you know that I am obsessed with washi tape. I have so many rolls, I just can't stop buying it. But I know that it's not available everywhere, or maybe you can't afford to buy a new roll every time that you want a new color or pattern. So today I'm going to show you a few ways to make your own that you can customize any way that you like. Let's get started. So the secret ingredient for this project is sticker paper. You can find this in any office supply store or get it online. Right now on Amazon, it literally costs like $5, so this is not breaking the bank. And as always, I'll be linking to it and all of the other supplies are right down below. Next, we're going to mix up some paints and start painting. You can make any design you like. I experimented with stamping a rainbow, which came out super cute. I also tried putting 2 colors of paint on my brush at the same time, which came out so beautiful. I think this one might be my favorite. You can have fun filling up the pages with all kinds of patterns and designs, and experiment with different ways to put the paint down on the paper. Once you're done painting, let it dry completely. Then use either scissors or a ruler and a craft knife to cut it into strips. You can cut these to whatever size you like and use them just like you would use washi tape. But maybe you don't want to paint or you have some very specific design ideas. You can also print onto sticker paper and literally make any design you like. I'll link this page down below, as well as a blank template that you can print and draw onto. So once you have it printed, just cut apart the different designs. A few tips. Don't throw out the edges from the paper. You can draw onto them and make bonus strips of tape. If you print out simple designs like these, you can add any colors you like with markers or colored pencils, even if you don't have a color printer. Don't forget about stamps. You don't need any artistic talent to be able to stamp out a cute design. And the great part about this project is you can customize your tape however you like by making bigger designs or cutting them down into smaller pieces. But okay, maybe sticker paper just isn't available where you live. One more hack is to use office labels instead. Your strips won't be as long as they are with the sticker paper, but you can paint or draw onto them exactly the same way. And you can get labels like these at any office supply store for less than $5. So once you have all of your tape, you can use it just like you would use any other washi tape. I'm real bad at bullet journaling, but I put together a quick layout so you can see how nice the tape looks. If anyone out there is good at journaling and uses this method, please send me a photo because I would love to see how it looks on an actually well-designed journal. I also used the tape to hang up some photos in a cute little collage, which would look great in your locker or your bedroom wall. I love this project because you can make a little bit of every color and pattern of washi tape you could ever want without having to spend money on every single new roll of tape. So I hope you guys liked those ideas. Obviously, washi tape is pretty cheap, and you could just go out and buy some, but this way you can get the exact color and pattern that you want. And if you just need a little bit of a certain color, you can just make it yourself instead of going out and spending a few dollars on another roll that you probably are not going to use up. So if you want more ideas on projects that you can use washi tape for, I have an entire video about that, which I made a few months ago. I'm gonna link it right down below. As always, I'm also going to link all of the supplies that I used right down below as well. And I'm also going to link my brand new jigsaw puzzle YouTube channel. If you haven't heard yet, I decided to start a new YouTube channel just for my jigsaw puzzle videos that includes reviews, time lapses, soothing, oddly satisfying types of videos. I'm gonna link that channel right down below, and it would mean so much to me if you went over there and subscribed. So if you're watching all the way to the end of the video, your code word for the comments is Washi Queen. I love having this little message board here. It makes it so easy to give you guys little secret messages. So use that somewhere in your comment, and I'll know that you watched the entire video and that you are my new favorite viewer. I'll see you all next time.